Hi guys, today we will do the activity number 7 in the case study. So first in the administrative tools, let's click the add roles. Then let's check the web server. Then next. Then we'll click the application development and the FTP server. Then next. Then install. Let's just wait for the installation. Then after the installation, let's go to IIS Manager. Uh, right click natin to. Then go to computer. Mm, Then new folder. Then tupt.com. Then sa loob ng TUP, gagawa tayo ng dalawang folder which is the administrative and the academic. New now another folder for the academic departments. Basad, EAD, Math, and CAAD. After we created, let's go to www.net root, then click tupt.com and makikita natin dyan yung mga ginawa natin. So, balik tayo sa IIS Manager. Then, go to the sites. Then, add website. Then, site name. Then, TUPT na lang ang gamitin natin. Then, yung physical path is yung ginamit natin kanina na folder. So, www.tupt.com. Then, ayusin natin yung IP address. Then, yung hostname is tupt.com. So, click OK. Then, balik na tayo doon. As you can see guys, nakita natin yung mga websites. Sa loob, let's add rule .apx. Then, and after that, let's right click and gagawa tayo ng sarili nating HTML form sa loob niyan dahil ang nasa task is gumawa ng website for each department. So, to view that, yan. As you can see, ayun yung ginawa natin na website for the academic, for TUP department. So, Yan, nagawa natin yung task 1 sa number 7. Now, let's create a simple website for each department naman. So, gagawin lang natin ng simple website for each department. So, ulit-ulitin lang natin. As you can see, nagawa na tayo. Then, sa admin, then sa basad, then next is sa kaad, next naman natin is EAD, and MAAD. So after that, i-view naman natin sa Windows XP yung website. I-check natin, tupt.com. Let go. Then as you can see, na-view natin sa loob ng Windows XP. Now, try naman natin sa Windows XP. And ayan siya. So, nakikita na natin ang mga websites from different windows. And that's it. Nagawa na natin yung activity number 7 sa case study. Thank you for watching.